Do you know that you can earn more than $1,000 a week thanks to unknown websites? In this video, I have listed for you 10 of the best online businesses that pay right now. These are websites that will pay you every day without you providing the slightest effort. You don't need to have any special knowledge. You don't need to have a degree, and you can work from your computer, your iPad, your iPhone, or smartphone. In other words, wherever you can browse the internet. If you have internet access, you can make money on its websites regardless of your location. These are websites that work all over the world. I know from different experiences with these websites that you can earn over $1,000 a week on automatic, and I know you can do a lot more. So I invite you to sit down, relax, and pay close attention to this video. The system once set up will work on its own and bring you a lot of money. It is important then that you follow this video, including its entirety, so that you do not miss any of its 10 sites and earn $1,000 every week, and also know how to triple your earnings with an often overlooked trick. Enjoy it while it lasts. Don't miss the opportunity. Let's go. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. This will help more people with the informative content of the video and motivate me to produce more content. Site number 1. The first site that will make you money online is Genius Company. It is accessible at genius.com. You may have already heard about this site, but I don't think you already know how to make money with this site. Genius is a company specialized in lyrics. That means the lyrics of songs. They offer music to more than 100 million people every month, and where it gets interesting is that you can transcribe music for them and get paid. People coming on this site when they want to know the lyrics of one of their favorite songs, or maybe understand a little more than an artist says in a given song, and that's where you come in. You're gonna help Genius transcribe the most popular songs of the moment, and you're gonna make money in return. You can do it from your couch, from a plane, or any other place, and you will be paid back knowing that Genius is not the kind of music apps that promises to pay you thousands of dollars to download or listen to music a number of times. Genius is a real legal company that has existed for years. As you can see, they are based in New York, more precisely in Brooklyn in the United States, and it actually pays. Now that you know all this, go to the bottom of the site and click on Jobs that are found here in order to access all the different jobs that are available. You can read that right now when I make this video. There are open positions for Senior Full Stack Engineer. What interests us is the job titled Lyrics Associated Genius Remotely. Take a look at the careers page by typing on Google Lyrics Associate Genius and click on Lyrics Associate Genius Remote by Media Lab, as you can see here. Click on it to read the requirements related to this position, then click on the button Apply to apply. Fill out the following form with your real information, your CV, your full name, your email address, your phone number, your social network links, and then answer the following questions. Finally, select your gender, your status, and click on the Submit a Request button. You will receive an email notification to start working. It's as simple as that. Site number 2. The second site that will make you money online is called Insta GC. It is accessible at instagc.com. Insta GC is a website where you can earn gift cards and money in exchange for simple tasks like filling out surveys, watching videos, shopping online through web searches, or testing apps. You can also be paid by inviting people to register on this site for free. There are so many different ways to make money with Insta GC. What I like about Insta GC is what it does, especially for people who have no skills or financial resources. Jobs are very easy, and you can start today and earn money within minutes. To start registering on Insta GC using your Facebook, Twitter, or Google account, you can also register by entering your username, password, and email address. They will even give you 10 free points as soon as you register. As a welcome afterwards, you only have to participate in the following activities to accumulate the points that you can then redeem for money or other gifts. Site number 3. The third website on the list is Textbotai. One of the main reasons why I love this company very much is that you can make $100 of commissions in an instant again and again and again, and you have the choice of where to get your money transferred. Indeed, Textbotai is an automated platform that wants to be an email application for various companies. This platform can automatically send text messages and answer phone calls for companies. Your role will be here to help companies that are customers of Textbotai in the handling of this platform. In the rest of this video, I'm going to share with you a website that will help you put this tool in the hands of businesses automatically, and you will receive $100 in commissions again and again. To get started, simply click on the login button here. As you are not yet a TextBot member, click on this link to learn how to register. Connect to their Ava virtual assistants by clicking here. You will enter your name and phone number and click here to receive the next steps. You will then create your account by completing the form below. Once your account is created, here is what your dashboard will look like on TextBot. You can watch the platform introduction videos to familiarize yourself with it. Site number 4. The fourth website, and that of the company Crowdsurf Work. It is accessible at crowdsurfwork.com. Crowdsurf Work is a transcription company that charges you to capture in writing what you hear. This way you can listen to audio, videos, and conversations. Then you can work for Crowdsurf Work. This company already works with thousands of people with little or no experience. Whether you have experience or not, this business will provide you with the necessary training and support to enable you to earn money. All you have to do is listen to conversations and understand what's being said. Once on the site, click on USA and Canada or International depending on your location. If you are outside the USA and Canada, then choose International. You will be redirected to another site. To create an account, click Join as an individual to create an account and complete the form you see on the screen. Then click on the Sign Up button. You will then receive an email to validate your account and a task that will be assigned to you. All you have to do is follow all the steps and instructions received by email in order to start earning money. A trick you can use to make the job even easier if you don't like typing, and you can use Google Docs, which will capture the text for you. To do this, simply open a Google Docs file and click on Tools and then on Voice Typing, and let this tool do the job for you. Site number 5. Fifth site is called SuperPay. It is available at superpay.me. SuperPay is a platform where users can earn money by performing a variety of tasks such as surveys, watching videos, signing up for tests, and downloading apps and much more. The site was launched in 2012 and has already paid members over $5 million to date. With this site, you are paid instantly for every task you perform, where every person you invite. To get started, click the free registration button today and fill out the form and validate your account. Completing the tasks available every day is done. You pay. SuperPay works all over the world, and even if the site itself is in English, some tasks are in French. You can also invite friends to join the platform, and you'll earn 25% of their lifetime income. That's great. Keep watching the video to understand how each of these 10 websites works and know how to win your first $1,000 in a week with these platforms. Do not miss the next, as well as the latest site that will allow you to maximize your earning. Site number 6. The sixth site is called Scribble. It is available at Scribble.com. Scribble is a video-audio transcription service where you can get high-quality transcripts of your interviews, meeting, podcast, video, webinar, etc. To exploit the potential of this platform, you must have an account. To do this, go to the bottom of the page and click on Sign Up to create an account. Fill in the form with your real information, your first name, your last name, and your email address. Then set a password. For the account type, you will select the transcriber type and click on Sign Up. You will receive a message confirming that your account was created correctly. You must now verify your email and click on the link provided to complete the verification. Log into your PayPal account to start the initial test. At the end of the test, you can start earning money. Site number 7. The seventh site on the list is Earnable and is available at Earnable.com. This site is quite similar to Insta GC and SuperPay. I recommend you register on these 3 sites in order to maximize your earnings. Earnably.com is also a website that allows users to earn points by performing simple tasks by watching videos or responding to surveys. Points can be redeemed for cash or free gift cards from your favorite brands. 1 point is worth a penny. The minimum amount of payments is $1. Minimum fee is charged for any reward worth less than $5. To start earning money with this site, click on the Sign Up button here and fill out the form that will be presented to you to confirm your email address. It will only take you a few minutes. Site number 8. The 8th site on the list is called Traffic Authority. The principle is that you can win from multiple streams within this same website. Traffic Authority is a system that helps people to start online businesses from scratch without marketing or entrepreneurship experience. It combines 3 different platforms. They will do 90% of the work for you, and all you have to do is send traffic to their already prefabricated website. You can even connect your Textbot account to this website to automatically win on both platforms. Site number 9. The 9th site on the list is called CPA Grip. It is accessible at cpagrip.com. CPA Grip is an affiliate platform that offers its services, especially in CPA marketing. It allows to earn money using affiliate marketing techniques and others. The acronym CPA means cost per action. You will be paid to perform actions like sending emails, submitting forms, view profiles, and much more. To learn more about how CPA Grip works, I invite you to register on this site by clicking on Register, which was found here. You will land on a page that looks like this. Here you must fill in all the mandatory fields of the form. Fields marked with a red asterisk. Enter your first name, last name, address, country, city, postal code, phone number, and then your Skype nickname. Then indicate the type of editors you are. I recommend you select a website/incentive. Fill in your email address and a password that will be used for your next account login. Select your time zone and check the box I have read and understood the terms of use. Finally, click on Register Now. The platform will send you an email with the object CPA Grip account approved. Click on the link in the email to validate your email address. At this stage, you are officially registered on the platform and your account is valid. Once you log into your account, you can search for offers and promote them to earn money. Site number 10. The last website is the icing on the cake compared to the site we've already seen. It will make your life easier if you want to earn money by inviting people to register on Insta GC, Earnable and SuperPay, but also for CPA Grip. This site can help you to make submissions by email. The website is available at 15secondfreeleads.com. This company will show you how to use one of the world's largest social networks, that is TikTok, to make you money. You don't even need to show your face to drain thousands of people on your website. 15-Second Free Leads is a training that will allow you to learn everything you need to know to win followers on TikTok and possibly free lead for your affiliate program. The training is suitable for anyone who wants to generate leads, subscribers, and sales. It is presented by Legendary Marketers, a $200 million company. This training costs $1. Yes, it's hard to believe even for me. By purchasing this $1 course, you will have access to a 15-day online business creation challenge, a Facebook advertising template, templates for converting emails, video scripts, scripts for selling by phone, one-on-one consultation of personal business plans. This price is downright ridiculous when compared to all the bonuses that are associated. They also have YouTube training and Facebook training that gives you the strategies to use to earn money through social networks. There are tons of testimonials about training, and you can read them. So enjoy it. If you want a new video in which I showed you in detail how to make money from websites never revealed on YouTube, then put in the comments. I'm looking forward that you see on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, and you'll have taken the first big step towards your financial freedom.